Rimoni Industries was founded in 1954 and is managed by the sons of company founder Yotam Rimoni. Hello, I'm Alon Hirson, System Project Manager at Rimoni Industries. Our clientele is diverse. Some come from the automotive industry, some are from the service industry, and we also have some that come from the medical devices industry. We had to find a system that was an exact fit for our needs. This system needs to provide us with international indicators such as OEE and other KPIs. We did our fair share of market research and found out that most companies only cover some of our needs. We needed a system that is available to us 24/7, a cloud-based, technologically advanced, reliable system. We found that Matics' system covers all of our needs. One of the benefits of Matics is the ability to use their apps on our mobile devices, such as phones, tablets, and also through a web-based app from any computer. There are 3 apps, one for the manager so that they could keep an eye on the production floor 24/7. The second app is for the operator, so that authorizations could be doled out remotely and consistently. And the third web-based app is for manufacturing design. Using this app, one could design a manufacturing process. Then, after calculations are made, we can understand the production cycle and deadline. Then, a preset could be made to be handed down to other machines for mass production. During the initial phase, we had a number of meetings. The people at Matics treated us with the utmost professionalism, guiding us through various timelines and milestones, showing us exactly what to do at every step of the way, resulting in us being on time without a single delay to the production floor. The system is able to inform me of the exact time of production so that I, in turn, can inform my clients. There are many difficulties with determining the exact time of delivery, but Matics' system gives me all the tools I need to reach my goal. For example, if there is a machine that is standing still and not working, I know about it in real time, which also allows me the opportunity to know when a shipment is delayed and being able to say to a client of mine, hey, listen, it's going to take a few more days. I never had that before, and now I do.
Win every shift with Matics. Book your free demo today.